Hi guys, welcome back to my amazing kitchen. My name is Abba. In today's video, I'm sharing with you my no-fail rock buns recipe, which you may also know as rock cakes. So come along and let's get right into this yummy video. So in a large mixing bowl, I have some all-purpose flour, and to that I add some baking powder, a little bit of salt, some grated nutmeg, desiccated coconut, which is optional but very nice to add. I'm also going to add my sugar and then go ahead and mix everything together until well combined. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add some softened butter, and all I'm going to do is to try to incorporate the butter into my dry mixture. So when your flour looks something like this, then you know your butter is well incorporated. You should be able to form a ball but loosen it right away. You can also do this with your food processor. Next, I move on with my wet ingredients and I add some vanilla extract to some skimmed milk. And I'm going to add my eggs as well and then beat everything together until well combined. Back in the days, rock buns were made with water. But enriching your rock buns batter with some milk and eggs will ensure that you get a very rich, light and fluffy rock buns that will stay moist even days after it's baked. Next, I gradually add my wet mixture to my dry and continue to mix until everything is well mixed. This recipe makes a large batch, so I add my wet mixture little by little to make sure not to overwork my batter, but also ensure that it is well moistened just like this. If you follow the recipe correctly, your batter should look something like this. It is soft and sticky, but still very firm, and it should be able to hold in your hand for some seconds before it drops. To finish my rock buns, I have buttered a muffin tin, and you have to be generous with your butter because we are not going to line the muffin tin. You now want to go ahead and then scoop some of the butter into the muffin tin just like this. For a higher rise, make sure to be generous with the amount of butter you scoop into your muffin tin. Now go ahead and bake at 170 for about 20 to 25 minutes. Whilst that's in there, I'm going to go ahead and fill my second tray ready for the oven as well. And voila, that's how easy and simple rock buns or rock cakes are made. Allow the rock buns to cool down for about 5 minutes in your muffin tin and then take them out quickly to prevent the bottom from becoming soggy. Cool them on a cooling rack and go ahead and enjoy it with any beverage of your choice. If you buttered your muffin tin generously, there is no way these rock buns are going to stick. So our second batch is also ready, and just look at how gorgeous this looks. Just look at this beauty. It is well baked, the color is golden, it has the high dome, and that's exactly how you want your rock cakes to be like. If you follow the recipe carefully, this recipe will come out the same every single time. Now just look at how clean the muffin tin is. Nothing sticked because we buttered it generously. Now just look at how fluffy and rich and soft this rock bun is. So until I come your way next time with another amazingly delicious recipe, thank you so much for watching guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.